playing with Blizzard. All the other puppies were sleeping, so Cadence is going to come play with the baby puppy. Blizzard, what you doing, honey?
Gonna go potty.
Oh, that's good. Go hurry up, potty.
Maybe not.
Hey.
I know. So they go back?
No, they're gonna wrestle it up.
Hi, Cadence.
He's the one that was just wrestling with good. Good job.
Whoa, it's chilly out here without that.
Peggy, that was a good idea.
You got the ball. I'll get my
Sandy's cold. Oh, he's got the ball. Look at him.
Come on. Oh, look at that.
Hi. Is that the ball? Oh, and a leaf. Leaves are always good to chew.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want them to chew leaves.
They will. It won't hurt them.
It's okay.
Right out the other end.
A little fiber.
Blizzard!
You gonna play with them too, Peggy?
Yeah, Cadence, I know you answered that.
Hi, Cadence.
Yeah.
Hi, love. Oh, she's such a beautiful girl. Where's Cadence? We gotta throw something to Cadence. She was playing with that ball earlier. There she goes. Whoa, she's still a puppy.
Yay!
Good.
He's so cute. Mm-hmm. I love when they hop.
Uh-huh.
Whose cars are in front of the doors here? See, this is not good.
Cadence, puppy.
Yeah. No. Let me eat it. I'll throw it away.
Hi.
Who's green and... No, those two, because that's where Molly and Rick. Yeah, but I don't know how this one's going to get out, because that one... Yeah.
My blue one is over by the barn.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm over by the barn, too.
Look, she wants to play.
She just silver car cannot get out.
I think she just went moving.
They could if they drive right. Well, I wouldn't trust it. Well, I just...
Cadence, hi.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it.
You want to go get the chucket? Oh, she's going back in? It's cold. Okay, let's get Blizzard and go back in.